This is why you need Ethiopian cuisine in your life. It's a flavor explosion you don't want to miss. First up, we've got injera. It's a spongy sourdough flatbread that's the heart of every Ethiopian meal. Perfect for scooping up delicious stews. Next, dive into doro wat. Think spicy chicken stew with hard-boiled eggs, served on, you guessed it, injera. It's a warm hug for your taste buds. Ever tried tibs? Sizzling, sautéed meat with veggies and spices that'll make your mouth water. Pair it with some fresh greens for a perfect bite. And don't forget shiro. This chickpea stew is creamy, comforting, and packed with flavor. Vegetarian heaven right there. So, ready to embark on an Ethiopian food adventure? Your taste buds will thank you. Happy eating.